Welcome to the world of technology, where tools are crafted to elevate our creative processes. Today we'll embark on an exploration of essential tech tools that not only enhance productivity, but also redefine the way we engage with our projects. From software that streamlines workflow to hardware that empowers brilliant ideas, let's dive into the innovations shaping the landscape of technology. Our journey begins with project management software. Picture a dynamic platform laden with features that transform chaos into order. Tools like Notion and Trello provide a visual representation of tasks, allowing teams to collaborate effectively. Imagine organizing projects with customizable boards and timelines, tracking progress as if unfolding a captivating story. As we transition from management to execution, let's discuss video editing software. Envision a workspace where creativity meets precision. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro provide unparalleled tools for crafting visual narratives. With a plethora of effects, transitions, and an intuitive timeline interface, creators have the canvas to bring their visions to life, fostering seamless storytelling and artistic expression. Next, we delve deeper into audio tools. Sound is the unseen hero of technology that amplifies messages and feelings. Software such as Audacity and Adobe Audition grants creators control over every note and nuance. Imagine manipulating sound waves, removing background noise, and adding effects with just a click, elevating your content to resonate effortlessly with audiences. Don't forget the importance of graphic design tools. Visual appeal captures attention and communicates ideas instantaneously. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Illustrator are a creator's best friend, offering templates and design elements reminiscent of professional aesthetics. Picture transforming a blank canvas into stunning visual content that enhances your brand's presence and voice. Lastly, let's not overlook the power of collaboration tools. Imagine a space where creativity is boundless and ideas converge. Solutions like Slack and Microsoft Teams foster communication amongst teams, bringing together pulses of innovation. In a world where teamwork transcends geographical boundaries, these platforms ensure that every voice contributes to shaping the final masterpiece. In conclusion, the fusion of these tools is what enables creators to unleash their potential. As technology evolves, embracing these innovations becomes imperative for anyone looking to stand out in the digital world. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews that will guide you in choosing the right tech tools for your journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips on self-care and earning potential.